YouTube, what's going on? We're here. It's Tuesday. Price just opened up. Got some we got news about to come out, don't
Yeah, we got news at 10. So.
News at 10. Currently eyeing the YM. It is the lagger. Excuse me, the NASDAQ is the lagger of the day. Looking at Friday low longs, Monday low longs. About to go ahead and finish my run plan on ES, and then we'll wait for this news to come out, guys. Everything's kind of pulling back. It's crazy from the lows that the ES is at all the way back to the highs. It's a fucking 0.5%. The whole move's a 0.5%. Again, I love to start with a little divergence. Yeah, clear leader, clear lagger here, boys. Alright, great. Alright, gonna finish my run plan on the ES, my vehicle, my context vehicle, and we're looking at the NQ to set up a trade. Got a current divergence between the NQ and the YM right now, so we'll wait for that to turn into an imbalance, and then we'll be looking, well, to show that it's turning into an imbalance, and then we'll be looking to take that trade. Alright, adjust my signals here. Current ES signal, spread, SL4. Yeah, currently it'll be SL4 on the Monday low. It close like this. Close green. Then the spread will be the short. Spread will be a short, but this is a non-level. 6710 is a non-level. So ES is just gonna say SL4 hour Monday low long. As of right now, unless it breaks Monday low, which I doubt. I doubt it's gonna do that. I doubt it's gonna break that London low that it made, 66.94. That's a really clear sign of what it's gonna do today. If you're looking at the vehicle.
Yeah, you draw a little one of those squiggly lines.
Yeah, it's doing that shit. Doing that SMT shit.
Yeah, SMT shit.
Man, fuck AMD. God.
You reckon?
It's just trading this fucking channel, bro.
Some consolidation.
Yeah, we just needed to, for a bust breaks to the downside on this channel, I'm at the exit.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, because it's just been in this shit for too long.
Yeah.
I got 3 weeks, so I got plenty of time.
For real, there's no rush on that play, bro. You gotta, at least for you don't have a great storyline, the greatest storyline, you got time. So anything you can.
I'll look at the last week low breaking being a sign that things are kind of changing. But my overall stops not till it breaks this demand down at pretty much 150.
Yeah, it's gonna get shaken out. Focus on your overall stop. That's why you got time. So don't try to save your money.
Yeah, I'm just trying to look for points of invalidation, so we're just not in a trade for too long.
Yeah, just make sure it's super clear.
Yeah, because it's really 150 break. The main one. Alright, let this news play out. And the close and see what happens, guys. We're
3-point wick to the upside, or almost 3-point wick. So that's something to note, just because we're so close to that price.
Right on.
Yeah, we did see, we saw about an 80-point sell-off when that bell rang in the NQ. Again, trading right around 24,820. Sellers came in, took it down to 24,740. So about 80-point sell-off there. Yes, we've seen this a lot last week and a half. Yes, not really jumping up or down one way or another when that bell does ring. Chicago PMI, Louis, not the biggest of numbers. What is it? Purchase Manufacturing Index, Producer Manufacturing Index for just, it's a regional number. Shouldn't be the biggest. Is that the number you used to be able to get early if you paid for it, Jack? Do you remember?
Oh, I haven't heard of
Remember that?
Was
it Chicago PMI?
I
Who's the
can't
number out there?
remember. Somebody in
was
the
a
chat
number.
will know. I have not thought about that in so long, but yes,
There
there was a number.
think it
You
was-
should to get early.
I think it was Chicago PMI. Could be wrong. Someone in chat will know. All right, we got this. We got Chicago PMI here in 90 seconds. 90 seconds. We could bring in the president for like a hot 30 seconds before this number just to see what he may be speaking about.
Generations to come for centuries. We must be so strong that no nation will dare challenge us, so powerful that no enemy will dare threaten us, and so capable that no adversary can even think about beating us. And we've had it recently. I had India and Pakistan were going at it, and I called them both. And in this case, I used trade. I'm not going to trade with you. Used to two nuclear nations, big.
I know. Some people, hey, gotta listen. We gotta tune in. We gotta tune in. Government shutdown imminent. Not too long, so we have to tune in. We need to stay in tune with all facets of the news. 30 seconds. 30 seconds till the number.
Buyer stepping in right there.
Who knows? Anyone knows? Buyer stepping. Yep.
But we'll see. We'll see. Jolts. My eyes are on the Jolts job numbers in about 15 minutes. That's where my eyes. That's what I'm looking forward to.
Okay, that's it.
Might not be getting more jobs numbers. We'll
Yeah,
be all Jolts and ADP from here on out.
Man,
I know this might be the last one. Some of the last ones.
All right, 5 seconds. Here we go. Chicago PMI expected 43.3. Less than expected, 40.6. 40.6. Next up, Jolt's job openings and consumer confidence. Top of the hour. 15 minutes. No trades.
We're at
Nice
VWAP
catch.
here.
Yep. Yes, we are overnight VWAP 24,800. 24,800.
Mm-hmm.
ES
Really
pushing
nice
higher here.
reversal.
Yep.
It's a really nice reversal. I will get in long on this if I can get an entry in the 80s.
Huh?
That'd be a good entry.
80s. 780s for a long there.
Yeah, if I can get 780s, I'll try to get long. Pretty much
Right,
wicked
let's get-
under the overnight lows. If this hourly candle can close with the body, kind of reclaiming previous support, that would be like a very, very good reversal trade back to kind of the overnight highs.
Mm-hmm.
850s,
Pushing higher.
860s.
6708. 6708 push in the ES. Bring home. Here we might get that pullback. 24,795. Dow on the move. High. New session highs. 46,641. Right brain looking for a pullback. We got gold grinding higher here. We got 76% long on the NASDAQ tilt.
I'm short.
Alrighty.
I am
I
short.
don't hate it.
Look,
Go
ahead.
I've been banging the drum all week. This quarter end, there could be. I just don't see like a zombie rally like up the whole day or something. There's people that need to rebalance. There's definitely some things to be sold.
yeah, these are all just small base hits for me. We broke down. We came back. We're testing this trend line. We test these 800s. Gonna see if we could push back down towards those 70s. Maybe I could get these 60s here.
What price did you get, Dakota?
I got 92 3/4.
Okay. 24,000.
I'm long there, 782, 3 micros.
24,782. Long 3 MNQ. One short, one long. Got the number at top of the hour. Again, Jolt's job openings as well as consumer confidence. The president is again speaking about defense right now. If we do start touching on the government shutdown, anything about that, perhaps a deal, no deal, I'll be sure to bring that in. Gold continuing to push higher here.
Gold's just
38.57.
unstoppable, man. Gold's by the dip.
Rain, what'd you like about the long? What'd you see here? You like the pullback?
Well, when we have we have just like a ton of consolidation. Once again, these markets, the trend is just higher. So when we have consolidation like that, after that turnaround that we saw at the end of last week, kind of had that range. We open and get, I guess y'all would call that a failed downside auction. I'm just looking at the wick. We just leave a wick there, then we pull back and reclaim the previous range. So for me, that's we had a selling attempt. Buyers brought it back and reclaimed previous support. And then we have VWAP here. So a retracement, that's an excuse for a bit of a retracement. So I was kind of looking for a retracement on VWAP for a retest of it. And now I'm looking for probably the highs of the range. I want to see this try to break through VWAP right now. That's key.
High of the range. What price do you have for high of this range, Braden?
The extreme high is 850, but I'm more so looking for 820s, 830s. If we there's more orders there than there is at 850s.
Okay. See that again, 75% long in the NASDAQ right now. Looking at the tilt, 66% long, 82% long gold tilt right now.
I'm taking some profits here at 70s.
Yep.
There's some 60s right there. String bid. I'm flat.
All right, gentlemen, flat.
Yeah, London highs basically.
Yeah, I've stopped up.
Okay, sounds good. Update the P&L when you guys get a chance. Again, we got a number here in about 11 minutes or so.
I went 1,200 green on the day from some trades last night.
Oh, look at you. What were these trades last night, Braden? Hold on. What were these trades last night? Coming in with a positive. I like it. What were the trades for the market?
15 micro short. Hold on a second. I can actually don't always exactly remember. Feels like so long ago.
Marathon sessions, I hear you. All good, all good. Stay locked in. We can talk about these trades later. Just you did come in with a positive P&L up about 1,200 bucks.
Yeah, it was short 15 micros, 840s, and then I caught the break under 790. So it took some profit, 780s, 770s on that. It was kind of the London sell-off.
Great work. Do you usually trade? Are you up during the London session, or you put trades on just overnight?
No, if I have a trade on, I don't usually go to sleep. I don't really go to sleep on it unless I've already booked profits and things like that. But I still had the majority of that trade on, and yeah, no, I ruined my sleep schedule a little bit just watching it. So
great trade, man. I don't think I could ever count how many times I've stayed up watching trades as well. Then eventually gain that confidence to sleep through it and just let it play out. But man, that's great trade. Tell traders all the time during slow markets, the opportunities during the London and Asian sessions are they're there if you could catch them.
100% Dakota. See, we got some comments out of Collins still. On the inflation side, we are not out of the woods. Delays from Collins. Jack, I'm seeing a little push higher here in 10-year prices and yields going down. I know we were 4.13% last time you checked. We're still right around there.
I'll share it right now. We're coming back down into. I'm going to redraw this purple box at some point. This is from way back. I forget what this was about. But yeah, blue line for the time of the rate cut, white line for where yields at when it happened. Obviously 4.1, if we get there, would be a very interesting level for me. I'd probably be a seller of bonds there, but once again, this is not financial advice.
I like it. Thank you, Jack. All right, we are flat. We got about 7 minutes till the number again. Chicago, U.S. JOLTS job openings as well as consumer confidence. The president speaking in the lower right. We're talking about those daily levels. We saw new all-time highs in gold. Talking more about that, what we're seeing here in the first 22 minutes in the New York session. Bring him in, my guy, John, the man, Hoagland. What's up, Hoag? Thoughts on this open, early still? A couple house count trades on, but what are you seeing here? Let's start with gold, Hoag. New all-time highs overnight. $40 under that right now. What's up, Hoag? Happy Tuesday.
All right, 50.
Good morning, everyone. Braden's in something.
Yeah, I'm getting long again, trying again. I like how we're holding this 50-60, so just trying again.
Right.
Stop below, Jay.
What price real quick, Braden?
769, 3 micros.
Thank you. All right, Hogue. What's up, my man?
All right. Okay. So, well, in gold, yeah, we put in a new all-time high in the overnight last night. You all know I don't expect those to be lasting highs. We had a pretty sharp pullback. I didn't see any news that created that. It was probably more technical. Just got too long on the highs. Buyers backed off. Sellers took over. We're right back in the range and value from yesterday. I do like longs above the initial balance high. Initial balance high in gold's 38.50 even. Initial balance low 38.36 and a half. So market kind of opened at below value and drove into value. So I'm kind of looking at a value acceptance play, which could bring us all the way up to 38.61, where I will reassess and take another look at what the market's doing. We did have a very poor high on the high of the profile from yesterday.
Hold on, Hogue. They just smashed the bid. They absolutely smoked the bid in the Nasdaq. They just what did he say? Can we bring that?
Look at here.
Whoa, big sell order there. Sorry about that, Hogue. New lows, Nasdaq,
Oh, no
absolutely.
problem.
All right, so we got
Greater
a
than
nice
we ever were
pullback. Prices
before.
at previous day low.
We're
We
bringing
need-
back a focus on fitness, ability, character, and
That'd just be a
strength.
block order too.
It's
I don't
because the
see
purposes of
500 ES
American
contracts.
military is not to
All right, let's see what they
protect
want to take.
anyone's
Sorry about
feelings,
that,
it's to
Hogue.
protect our republic.
Not at all. Not at all.
And it's
Yeah.
the republic that we dearly
Yeah.
love. It's to protect our country.
The Nasdaq got
Get
absolutely
really-
We will
smoked
not
there.
be
Talking about a 60-point
correct
smash
when it
there in the
comes to
Nasdaq,
defending
24,780 last year. We can turn that
We will
down.
be a fighting and
two-
winning machine. We want to fight. We want to win.
We got
And we want to
Fed
fight as
Collins.
little as possible. You have
Fed
to count
Collins
on
and,
people like me to keep you out of
on the
wars. 'cause
inflation
I
side,
don't
we-
want
Clean
to go into
trade.
wars. Many of the wars that I
Big
just told you
clean
about,
trade.
we could have
Whole
entered
ES
those
range
wars
is
and
a half a
settled them
percent.
in a different
We're not
way
out of
with
the
a lot
woods
of
yet.
our
Look
troops.
at what's
No, we're not. All right, let's.
we
We'll
can
get back to the
settle
trade.
them, I
We,
guess,
we can mute
maybe
Trump right
not,
now.
actually.
Let's,
Actually,
hold with Collins.
Nasdaq boy.
Wow, big smash there. Sold down about 60 points. ES not so much, but Nasdaq got
So why am
absolutely
doing
smoked
all
there.
this is happening?
Braden, did you get stopped there?
Yeah, I'm stopped out.
Okay, cool. All right, Hogue, come on,
All right, I'm
come
at
back
my
in. We
end,
got about 5
still
minutes till the
being leader.
number.
Had a little pullback, but it's still.
We're on high alert there for stuff like. What's up, Hogue? Sorry
Obviously,
about that.
this bar has changed the situation just a little
Yes,
bit.
it
We've now
has,
closed we closed the gap from Friday to Monday. Now that's a session gap we just closed. That's the gap we closed in the S&Ps yesterday. We weren't able to do that yesterday in the Nasdaq. So, we're below yesterday's range. We just took out the 200 session moving average. We held that as support overnight. Does it now become resistance? Only time will tell. I'm not looking at anything huge happening until after jolts, or if we get any news about the potential shutdown. It is the last day of the month, last day of the quarter. ACH, anything can happen. But yeah, this last bar here has changed the situation a little bit, and we've looked below that 200 session moving average. I'm basing a lot off that 200 session moving average and the fact that we've closed this gap. If we recover last night's low in the Nasdaq and we find buyers there, that low is 24,754 in the orders. Could be a decent opportunity for a long, but again, we're waiting for jolts and we're going to see what happens there. S&Ps have held that 200 session moving average all night, and again today. We're not below the range from yesterday. We're kind of giving up a little bit of value from yesterday. The S&Ps are actually holding up a little bit better than the Nasdaq is today. But we did close that gap we were talking about in the Nasdaq yesterday during the regular trading hour session. As far as gold's concerned, we're seeing a pretty decent move above the initial balance high. Again, 38.50 is the initial balance high. Was looking for a move up to value high, which would take us up to around 38.61. We did trade to settlement. Overnight inventory is evened out. We are in range and in value from yesterday. Stay patient, folks. There might be opportunity here at the initial balance high. However, that is just going to be a good risk limiter if you are going to be looking for an execution in and or around that initial balance high. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Let's see what these jolts numbers come out.
Short, JD, short. Jack, did you happen to find that order on? It looked like it was
Yeah,
on
I mean-
Nasdaq. What a turnaround!
Well, it's without doing like forensics later, it's impossible to tell because these things are all so tightly wound by spreads and what have you that they all move at once. Essentially, there was 2.5K contracts traded in a second on the ES and about 1,000 in the NQ.
1,000? That's there's gonna be slippage. That's how you move a market. So 60 points gets traded right there in the Nasdaq.
Yeah,
Someone
but
asked,
also
were they smashing the ask? No. When you see that market move down like that, someone's coming with a sell order. They are smashing the bid.
Yeah,
They
that's
are
more
going to market with a sell order, around 1,000 of them. And in order to go to market and
Yeah,
sell,
you
you got to sell into bids.
No, it's right here.
Market lower there. We got the number in about
It's a
60
signal and a
seconds. 60 seconds.
Level and the highs right here,
Good.
and the price indication line. You know what I'm saying? As far as anchor yourself.
Trump is on mute right now. We are about to get the number in
You don't know what.
Chicago. I'm sorry. Jolts.
Track the VA to YM.
Colin saying not having BLS data over time would be problematic. It would. All right, everyone flat. Raiden flat.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Monday low.
Oh, how about that, man? You're doing your breakdown.
SL4
comes in,
would
just
be
smashes
the
it, takes the
short
power
of
block
it down.
Oh,
Yeah.
man, oh,
Hi-
man.
Pile
We got a
driver.
day. Yeah, we got an absolute day ahead of us. It's going to be a
Off
good
the
one.
turnbuckle, man.
Seriously.
Yeah, what? It's just that.
Look how thin the ES ladder's getting here. The NASDAQ getting ladder as well.
Top side.
Here we go.
All these markets are be a good one here. We're going to start with the Jolt's job openings. Expected 7.2 million. Consumer confidence expected 96 million.
I got nothing for 850.
96 million. Just 96. Just number. Here we go. Number in Jolts. Jolts.
All right, good.
In line. 7.22 mil. In line.
That's
Consumer confidence. Where you at?
10, we got news.
bullish, right?
All the news coming out now. Consumer confidence.
I'm gonna get long there, guys. For the break above 800. Stop will be low day, so pretty wide. 60
red
points.
with demand.
Well, how many times there, Braden? Consumer confidence a
Three.
little lower than expected.
Chicago PMI was at
3 micros,
95,
794.
Slightly lighter.
And 24,000,
Stop opening was,
794. Very good.
line.
Let's see if we
Consumer
can push
confidence
this thing
lower than
higher here.
expected. 96 forecast, 94.2 actual.
Another announcement scheduled
That
from
was
the
just-
president. Might be in the same speech here. I'll keep an eye out for that. We got a lot going on right now. We got the president speaking. We got Collins
15
speaking.
close, red
Joel's
candle.
just came out in line. Consumer confidence a
Think
little lower than
yourself.
expected. It's
789.
forecasted, expected 96.
96.
Actual 94.2. 94.2. Nothing on the tilt. Hogue, it is pretty wicky right now.
So we're looking at NASDAQ, Monday low long.
Last day of the quarter.
Yeah.
The hold is Monday low.
Be a little crazy.
27.28.
For sure. We want bring in the let's bring in the president real quick just to get a quick
Demand
check
candle,
on what
or price
they
of
what he's
demand.
talking about. If we
Violence
get
and a lot of the people, even the people that took care of them, the maintenance people, just as important. We had them all to the White House, gave them a big party on the lawn, brought some of them into the Oval Office.
I don't know.
But on top of all this, we'll deliver a hard-earned pay raise of 3.8% to every soldier, sailor, airman,
Okay, well,
Coast Guardsman,
I'm on
Space
defense right now.
Guard, and
If anything market
Marine,
moving
something
does
you weren't getting from
come
the
in,
past
we
administration.
will get right to
We
it.
did not treat you with
Right now, Braden is long. Jack, anything on the upside here in the ES that we be 67? We're in a tight range
think-
right now.
Also
I
got this.
think maybe because it is the last day
It's
of
gonna
the
be too
quarter.
far. It's gonna be
The options levels I have are pretty wide out, much wider than they have been the last few days. There might just be more implied volatility today, given all that.
too doji. It's like,
So probably
right now. Great.
like not to like 67.30.
Okay, so we got all our specs looking
As far
for
as the
Monday
upside.
low
So I'm gonna let this
long,
play out a little bit.
Waiting for a
Right,
green
sounds
candle
good.
to appear, showing us where the buyers are.
24,800. Gotta get through these 800s, Braden. If we get through these 800s, look at those
Yeah.
2 O's. This is right here,
We're
right
fighting
now.
through VWAP now.
Yeah. You know, another push. Maybe the ES wants to push this thing.
Damn,
Look at the
went
Dow.
crazy. Yeah, ES showed a
Oh,
green candle.
the micro Bitcoin has absolutely been on a tear this week.
708, low at 66.96.
Okay, still today.
Now it's going now.
There's a Bitcoin.
There's a break through those 800s.
800s, yes. Look at Bitcoin right around 114,000.
Nvidia's been catching a bit. Nvidia's been going up. It's running through.
All-time highs.
Maybe we see all-time highs there.
Yeah, I mean, like that's got to be pretty close to it, right?
Yeah, I see the signal.
Yeah,
You caught the signal perfect. It's the only one that gave it.
Auga.
It's the only one that gave it right off of your.
Is that officially
Video.
all-time high?
Very good.
Yep.
Nvidia?
All-time
I
high.
believe so.
Nvidia.
Damn.
Oh, that's-
That
It
tight tick stop.
Previously triple
Gotta
top
protect.
there on 3 different days at around
No
184.51
question.
or so.
All right, yeah, I'm NASDAQ
We are
focused.
through
I
into
like
the
to
all-time
get close so we
highs.
can get like
Oh, well done.
Why not?
Love it.
Hogue. Why do you love it, Hogue? It's just NVIDIA. It's a chip maker. What do you love about it?
Kids love it.
Chip designer, Andre. They don't even
Yeah,
make the
he's
chips.
desi-
Great
That's
deal.
like, right.
yeah, they just step
Better.
back one day
Let's
low.
see if we can get ES trying to stay strong here. Will the ES take the NASDAQ with the ES closing on overnight highs? About 3 points to go. That's trade 67.12. Half.
Do nothing with the NASDAQ up here. You can't do nothing with the NASDAQ.
In the NASDAQ, 24,810, 810.
Half a arm already.
Highs 845. Gold trading 38.55. House account take a stop on that. It's a long 5 micro crude.
Good trade, Max. Great fucking trade.
And like Jack was saying, this is the last day of Q3.
Yeah, always, bro. Ain't no question about that, bro. No question. Yeah.
Hey man, what's the best advice you can give someone that's in sales?
Switch to Monday CRM.
Oh, awesome. Thanks.
Hold up. You're thinking about old school CRMs. Monday CRM has a
Some challenges. Let's go take a peek at what we have with yields.
Under yesterday's low.
All right. Okay, let's close some of this course member analysis. There we go. Perfect. Okay. No problem. There we go. Google Chrome's glitching out on me. No problem. No problem. Here we go. We did it. We did it, boys. We did it. And the girls. There's some girls. Like, and then I always get, like, I get nervous. Like, well, what if a girl uses coupon code Daddy's Back? Yeah, that seems unprofessional. But I didn't think about it that way. Got to think about the coupon code, like, what if Sarah Eisen joined? She's like, yeah, I joined Meet Kevin's courses, before the Friday expiration, which he was so grateful to extend. And yeah, what code do you use? Daddy's Back.
My bad, guys.
I don't know. Like,
Watching NASDAQ
that
pull
might
back.
not be the most professional
Waiting
coupon
for
code.
entry. We here.
But so I need to start thinking about that because we have to show respect to all people. Anyway, except for Donnie T, or Biden, or any politician. President Trump threatened to fire scores of federal workers as the U.S. hurtles towards a shutdown. The Democrats and Republicans at an impasse. We may do a lot, and that's only because of the Democrats. Oh, where did he say that? That's what he wants. This is what I said yesterday. That's exactly what he wants because he's got, vote or whatever. Said in response to a question about a number that could be eliminated, White House last week directed agency to draw plans for the mass firings if the government shut down. So far, no agencies have called for terminations. With just hours to go until midnight deadline, the impasse over spending threatens to paralyze many government operations for the 14th time in modern history, causing the suspension of services for Americans and paychecks for federal workers. Political fallout could be widespread ahead of midterms. Last-minute spending deals have averted shutdowns in recent years. I'm an optimist. There he is. Dude, I'm telling you, when you see this guy, I just want you to think of the Grim Reaper. This is the Grim Reaper right here. He literally says he wants federal employees to have the fear of God in them. Yeah, Johnson is digging in. JD Vance is digging in. Their bill is not an iota of Democratic input. Right. Schumer is suggesting that, like, they never talked to us, and JD Vance is like, well, your claims are, you guys are ridiculous. You guys want, all this money for illegals or whatever. What they're really doing is the Democrats are asking for Medicaid funding. I don't actually think there's anything in what they're asking for that's for illegals. Let me see. Let's do some Googling here. Any illegal funding in 1.4 trillion Democrats want in healthcare funding and shutdown. Just see if like Google AI can do any good here. I don't think so, because I think it's Medicaid, but some Medicaid, I don't know if Medicaid checks. Let me see. Medicaid check immigration status. Medicaid checks immigration status by having states and federal government use the alien verification system to verify lawful presence. Okay. While most individuals qualifying for immigration status must wait 5 years to be fully eligible for benefits, some exemptions exist. Okay. So, states are responsible for reviewing these reports.
Look out the spread for close back over Friday high, and then stop.
So that's probably why they say that. I don't think this is, because this is Medicaid and the ACA extension, right? The Affordable Care Act, the Obamacare stuff. So I don't know. Like, I think they're sort of latching onto this idea that maybe Medicaid might go to illegals. Feds direct states to check immigration status of their Medicaid enrollees. States must verify citizenship to get Medicaid. Maybe they hadn't in the past. So maybe that's what the whole drama is about, right? We're tightening rules to safeguard the program. Leaving states to make stripping. The new law also includes restrictions on coverage for certain immigrants, including stripping eligibility for refugees and asylum seekers. Okay. So maybe that had to do with like some asylum seekers being eligible. That could be what it is. Interesting. All right.
It's good though that it went ahead and expanded to this Thursday high. If it keeps expanding anywhere, it turns around down here. It should carry the market back up.
Yeah, Q's a little soft today. Someone here says, Kevin, it's been a while since I've done a deep dive into the future of Tesla. Really? Okay. We could always do another Tesla vid. Let me see here. I've got a few vids that I want to make today. So today on the itinerary, we'll do a shutdown update. We're gonna do a house hack update. Honestly, I'll do a Tesla video today. We'll look at some delivery expectations and stuff. The problem is community hospitals can't turn anyone away, so it includes illegals calling them. Yeah. Okay. That's fair. But that's true whether there's Medicaid funding or not, right? So yeah. Do an October seasonality segment. Yeah, I am the worst person for seasonality stuff because I kind of feel like once it's status quo expectation, like the seasonality doesn't work. So I generally don't utilize seasonality in my TA, or like what we are. When we send out alpha reports, we're typically not basing it on seasonality. We're typically basing it on a combination of fundies, technicals, and expectations, for the stock over a period of time. So like some stocks, I have expectations for over the next 10 years. Other stocks I have expectations on for the next, 3 to 12 months. So obviously make this clear. But yeah, like usually I feel like once seasonality becomes consensus, it just doesn't work anymore. Maybe I'm wrong on that one. Okay, so let's see here. Drug deal. Okay, that's fine. Drug deal with Pfizer. Okay, what else do we have here? Wait, Nick T says the 3-month average of Jolts ticked down. Let's look at this. Oh, and then the Chicago MMIs were great this morning. Nick T, and then Chicago MNI. Business barometer. Okay. So Nick T tells us openings ticked up in August from an upwarded. What? Only people the author mentioned can reply? No. Wait, why just on that one? Some of them you can, some of you can't. Oh, that's weird. He's gating his replies. Bro. What the hell, man?
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform. Describe what you want, and watch it take shape.
I mean, that's a good poem. Short term, not that big of a deal. Longer term, he's right. And remember the balance the Fed wants, right? The Fed wants this to be at 1. Jay Powell told us that once, and I've never forgotten it since he said it, partly because when he was asked the question, I shouted, 1. And then he said 1, and then I felt really happy. So, I'm a basic human. I must feel validated. So, let's put this on 1.
When I used to do that.
Yeah, you can see us dipping below that. Let's see if I can make that line a little thinner. Here we go. Fed needs to stop this. Arrow. Really? That's my arrow now? Here we go. Okay. So... Fed target is 1.0. We are now slipping below that on 3-month average. All right. Okay. So let's now drop that. Somebody says this is a terrible measure, too many variables. All right. I found the bull in the room. Oh. I know he's a bull because Matt Walker gave us no reason as to why it's a terrible measure. You know, usually when somebody gets offended by the data, if they have a good reason for it, you know, we can evaluate the reason. But the claim here is, this is terrible. Way too many variables. What variable? So the 3-month moving average of, like, is all of this wrong? It's all rigged. I guess that's what it is. It's all rigged. More saying that the Fed would use that. More saying that the Fed. Why is? Well, they would because they said they would. I mean, this is one of the factors they look at. Jay Powell looks at Jolts. You know, so on the day, Jolts beat on the day with 4.3% job openings versus 4.2% expected. But Nick T rightly points out 3-month trend is still declining. You know, it's that slow. This is not a off the cliff, right? This isn't a crash of data. It's actually short-term bullish, as it's better than expected. So, like, short-term, it's not bearish, but it reiterates longer-term weakness. They're using Jolts against unemployed, which is a terrible measure to use. Oh, the ratio you don't like. Well, this is to unemployed workers, not to the unemployment rate. So what's unique about that is, what I actually like about it, I will say, This ratio above is the ratio of unemployed workers to job openings.
You would have to
Note,
before,
I don't think it
signal
includes
jumps, no confirmation jump.
let me see here, BLS labor report. See, we could actually find how they make the ratio by, let's
They
see
probably playing on 2
here.
minutes. They got their own.
We want to find the
They either can
unemployed.
markets,
Unemployed. I just want the
It's
BLS
low.
report,
Bro, that shit bounced off the
publications, data. Oh my lord.
so at least we know
Economic
it's
releases.
there.
Yeah, bars here.
Major employment situation, summary. I want the longer term unemployed.
750 to
Unemployed. Or the number. I need the number of unemployed.
maybe niggas taking part.
Okay, so new unemployed entrants, long-term unemployed at 1.9 million, and then labor force participation rate. This is a measure I don't like. And then number of people not in the labor force who want a job. There, 6.4 million. So I'm pretty sure what this is a ratio. Well, there's got to be another number in this because we're at 7.2 million job openings, right? Number of people not in the labor force is 6.2. But how do they calculate unemployed workers, right? Because right now, BLS unemployed workers at 6.4 million who want a job, right? And JOLTS at 7.2 million, which that suggests a ratio that's 7.2 divided by 6.4. That suggests a ratio over 1. That's a ratio of 1.12, call it 3, rounded here. So where are the other 800,000? Well, the only way I could really reconcile that among the unemployed new entrants to unemployed, I feel like this would include that. So I'm not sure. You know, that actually might be a good question for AI. Let's go ask right now. For the ratio of unemployed to job openings, JOLTS, what number constitutes the number of unemployed? Is it just BLS unemployed? You know, or any added in, like long term? I don't know. I'll ask AI really quickly. We'll find out. The numerator is the number of unemployed people. It's the U3 unemployment count. Those who do not have a job, actively look for work in the last 4 weeks, and are available to take a job. Okay. I mean, that should be the number that I just looked at here.
Like that's even after.
So if I go into
Like that's when niggas is like setting entry.
here,
That's when niggas is setting.
Yeah.
You feel me? You set your limit where you need to be. Fuck it.
I think that's what we probably
Feel me? I do that.
I think that's what we do.
'Cause after the buyers-
that'll help me just like not do anything.
After the
else.
buyers step up, after the buyers show up, after I see this signal right here closed, then I can literally set my entry at right at Friday high. Stop under the low. I won't feel nothing.
Yeah, I won't feel nothing.
I won't feel nothing.
Living or not.
You know what I'm saying? Because it's
Yeah,
either
this
gonna
shit
continue. It's either gonna continue,
Yeah.
or it could go up, hit Asia low right here, turn around, get you in. You know what I'm saying? Ain't doing nothing but holding Asia low and London low, holding between Asia low and London low right now. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't really doing nothing, but it's showing buyers is here. You feel me? And I just gotta have my stop. I gotta have my signal, and I gotta have my stop under the level. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking at doing.
What kind of stuff figuring out, man? Fuck it.
24,750, and you'll be able to get your stop under.
Yeah, my stop will be at 24/7. Be 20 points under previous day low.
But do you need that? Or would you be
Nah, yeah.
interested in doing?
Nah, because the range is, like you said, the range is huge. It's like, bro, I'd rather take my little cheese from 750 and go really 2-to-1 by each eye.
Yeah, I like that.
You know what I'm saying? And then the stop would be sick. It's like I don't need the I think I need the extra 20 points under the low, and the price is still in overnight session ranges. You know what I'm saying? And the extended TP is still in overnight session ranges. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, that's trading sloppy as hell.
It's very slow. Yeah, it's trying to set niggas in at this back position one. For real. This is
Fucking lion gotta be puking right now, bro.
Anybody got price on YM?
Yeah, Williams pulling back. It's pulling back down. Showed demand at Thursday high, and now it's just pulling back.
Alright, just watch that 4 hour, bro. See if it gets happen.
Yeah, because right now it's still in the sell zone.
Not doing it.
It ain't doing shit.
Just hold it.
Yeah, it's holding that Thursday low.
Say that again, Matt.
Yeah, nigga.
Absolutely.
Big 30, big stop out.
Big stop out. That's it. Stop punching.
Stop 100, bro. That shit, you be trading a YM, you be in a trade 30 minutes. Like, bro, you be in the YM for 30 minutes, you clearly see where, like, your stock is so vulnerable.
Yeah, that shit exposes stops.
That shit exposes stops with price action. So bad, bro.
And then, like, I've been working on this concept, this leader and laggard concept with the equities, and like every time the YM is leading the market, it's lousy price action, bro. Just because it's so fucking like susceptible to just go stop using. For real.
Like, that should have changed his campaign from going up or down to just stop hunting.
Yeah.
It's like a liquidity sweep, bro. Fuck.
Man, this candle not even
It ain't gonna close green. That's
I
good.
got time.
I got time, nigga. I got to 11:30.
I got a whole
nother hour.
I'll wait for this.
I'll wait for that shit to show up. Stop everybody out. They gonna play.
They gonna play. For real.
Market
run out of time and money. That's
for
the whole
real.
game.
Market only rewards the patience. The patient and discipline. I'd rather it close red than closing like an inverted hammer. Feel me?
If it closes that pencil green with that space, I'm getting ready to go in.
I'm dropping nuts, yeah.
Yeah, nigga. EQ up. Yeah, right. Let that bitch be reversed with that green on it. EQ gonna fill that space.
Yeah, this is a mess.
It's a mess, bro.
This is what the YM is a terrible fucking
It's
leader.
a terrible leader. The YM has to go. Actually, the YM don't have to do shit because it does what it wants. Yeah, it's just.
And it already bounced off the level it probably wanted to retest. So
now it's just waiting out. Niggas.
now it's just gonna wait out, niggas. You feel me?
Yeah, because literally. And from the low.
No.
What?
Nah, buyer stepping in.
Yeah. Because the low that the YM just made on this 4 hour, it was enough to put 100 points on it to get under the previous 4 hour low.
Yeah, it was.
That shit usually like, bro, YM holds that.
Usually it's
low.
gonna hold that unless it's
Usually
finna
hold that
unless
low.
it's just stop hunting niggas.
Yeah, so you don't have to do what you don't want to do on this one. It's gonna play just like that.
I hope so. And I can put my 50 on, have it under the low, and I can just get the fuck on.
Yeah, it close like this. I'm about to set that 24/750 limit, and then I'm gonna fuck what it goes. I'm just gonna be out, I'm gonna be out for the day.
Yeah, 'cause that's the main thing. Your signal to get in is separate from your entry.
Yeah.
You don't let that signal tell you, oh, I got to get in at this. Nah, buyer showed up here.
It could probably pull back. All right, bro. Yeah, do you think, brother? You here?
You let the buyer show up, and then you still pick where you want to be. It's like you speculating to see where buyers are going to show up. Once buyers show you where they at, then you decide where you decide which one. You know what I'm saying?
And
that's the only step that we did wrong on Friday.
Yeah, and that's what we
Feel
had
me?
to learn. And that's what we about to do right now.
That's what we about to do right now.
Yeah, because you have to be where you want to be.
Yeah, period.
It's all about confidence.
It's all about you got to have the confidence to know I can make it to where my stock will be where it needs to be. The market's not going to tell me where I'm finna put my soldiers at.
Exactly.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, I don't let that.
That's not the market's job. It don't tell me when to put my soldiers on the ground.
Yeah. I ain't trying not to play. That's the thing. Give me a reason. I've been trying. Give me a reason. Alright, candle close. I'm setting limit, bro. My limit set. I'm done for the day. Fucking with 750 minutes. Yeah, 750 limit. Stop. Yeah, close. Good. 750 limit. Stop at 700 and kiss my ass. I'm done. Yeah, cause that's the key point. If you ain't willing to fucking do that, so limit. For real, because even like they were saying on URL last night, it's like that limit, a limit order and a market order is so like it's the difference between, because a market order is gonna place you where they want you to be. A limit order is
50 points from here is gonna be 50 points from 70 was the stop, right?
70. Oh yeah, 20. Damn.
Yeah.
Dang, I just missed that. Yeah.
What's market now? 90. Yeah.
Yeah.
That shit was right there. Fuck.
Yeah. It was like that. I mean, I chose 720. So. I mean 750. So this
Yeah,
shot
yeah.
Really under 720, not at 720. Yeah, so I'm good on that. But yeah, nah, it would have been up though.
Yeah, I would just look at it. If it comes down, if it does the 70 again, 50 under the level, that's gonna be good.
Yeah, if it do it again.
Fuck. That was it, bro.
Yeah.
That was it right now.
That's just not what I call that. So.
Yeah, even
Yeah. So if I was on that, yeah. That's crazy. That's the bad
Fuck. No way. Come on. Come back.
It's gone, dude. It's gone.
Come back, buddy.
It's gone. You saw it and the rest of them never saw it. But 77.
It was right there on it.
Yeah. That really it. Just stay chill.
Yeah, just stay chill.
Still at 750.
Yeah, I'm still at 750. If I get the 770 again, and I'll look
go
around.
watch it. Just call it out. Just see it.
I'll look around. But it's doing what right to that Asia low.
Yeah, hit
And
that,
hopefully
pull back,
you can pull back and then catch that
get
7.
niggas in, and then I really want that stop far under that second. Like,
And you really-
I made it this far, shit. Why the fuck would I just want my stop right at it?
For real. That's it. It's the level.
It's the level, but I don't want to be right at that bitch. It's the level, I just don't want to be right at that bitch.
Tough, man. Tough. All right, limit set at 750.
It might not
I get the 770 again, and I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. Put my stop under the level again.
Yeah.
Damn, that shit. It provided it. That shit was moving quick though. But I don't do
Yeah,
nothing
you had
quickly.
to be-
I don't do nothing
I've been
quickly.
hasty.
Do
I
nothing
just
quickly.
would have had the plan that I was gonna get in at 70 beforehand.
Yeah, because that's what I was. 750 I did. It closed like that though, and then it was right there and kind of in the zone.
Yeah.
Kind of in the zone to put it like right.
Just off of that, it's just gonna continue. That's it. I just literally I missed it.
Fuck,
I did,
bro.
I did not do the math on that shit. That 70 was it.
Yeah, 70 was 50 on 20. Damn.
Yeah, you probably gonna get 70 again.
It's like, pull it back for me, dog, please.
Nah, don't get like that, cause for a pull back, you get in that bitch.
You get in that bitch at the wrong time.
Fucking Then it start raining on your ass.
They keep pulling back on your
Keep
dumb
pulling
ass,
back.
nigga.
Like literally, even with this right here, it's doing that. It's like, bro, you gonna want that stop well under that level. This is the NASDAQ, nigga. You gonna want to stop way under that fucking level, bro. But like I said, I mean, I got my trigger ready to go down there in our stock market, but I ain't gonna really want to. I might have to put 650 on it to get it under the level a little bit. As opposed to just clean 5.
Where the hard part is.
Yeah, that's why I got the limits on.
Waiting for your position.
I don't give a fuck.
You know where it's at now, where is it?
My body is telling my mind that you followed all the rules. So it's almost time to smoke. That's what the fuck my body's telling my mind.
Yeah,
right
so
now.
you kind of got to control that.
You gotta control that.
You gotta
shit.
be like, yeah.
Cause you can't get
Just wait for your.
Just wait for my ball. It's like, bro, this is the best position long.
Is
at
at
750, bro.
It's
Like,
at 750.
I'll hug
If
that
it
kilo.
provides
I'll
70 though, is you gonna take it? That's what I'm trying to see. That's what I'm trying to see.
I'll hug that kilo, bro.
That bit, yeah, get them 77s again. What you gonna do? That's what I'm trying to see. You be 56 points off 77. You be good.
Yeah.
Be good. How much is that? It's like 550.
Like I said, that's a good patient. I mean, 70 to wait for 70 and have limits at 50 is good patience. I'll fuck with it.
Please give it to me.
This nigga begging.
I'm begging them one.
Fuck that. I ain't begging this market for shit. Nothing, nigga.
I'm begging them one.
Market won't hear me begging for a fucking dollar.
Yeah, it doesn't reward the beggars or the hopers. It only rewards the patient.
Only rewards the patient. That's the better, more patient trade.
It only
Like,
rewards the patient.
The
But
long you talking about from 70, those fucking weak hand fucks are already out. It just shows you where they going. 800 niggas out. They out now.
there we go.
You ain't on it no more? You might have reverse. Alright, what it really supposed to be?
All right, let's get it.
Right now?
Yeah. Why didn't get me in? Why didn't they get me in?
Green as fuck. Seriously, green as shit, bro.
It's placing the order, but it's not getting me in.
Hold on, man, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Did you miss it? You didn't still. It's alright. Oh, you missed it.
Order filled.
Where'd you get in at, bro? You just bang it?
Man, 90. Too high?
I mean, bro, you have to pay that extra, bro. Stocks gotta be at least under fucking 20. So all you do one in at this point.
Alright.
50,
I'm at 650.
80, 820. Alright, I'm breaking even at 820. It's my bad. My 650 under the level. Alright, cool. Good, good, good.
650 on
Got
the
me in
level.
up here, so I'm paying a little extra.
As long as we under our level, we should be
Yeah,
good.
it should be fine. I mean, this is the strat, bro. To make sure you under that level.
Yeah, I'm under. Right down of what I'm up under.
1500. Target, new price. That's it. Go away. Stop under every key level. Like, bro, if it just flushes previous day low, when you gonna do shit anyway. This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
That's I'm done. I'm done, son.
My
I'm
TP at
done.
Wednesday a high for 12. You say you where you at?
Yeah, I'm at 24, 931.
24, 931.
Yeah. If you can't do that, fuck it. I'll be break even by 820 anyways. For real. I'll be break even by 820. That's before Asia running high. And I'll be stopped out right under previous day low break. So I won't be in for any more pain.
Any
than
more
necessary.
pain than I need. Yeah.
And that, my friends, is what you call an A+ trading day.
All right, yeah, break even by the SL4, boys. Great work. SL4 is 24.845, 24.850. So.
Yeah, so 20 gold stop away from my price break even.
All right, guys. Yeah, that's me. SO spread 4-hour longs at 24.722. Monday low longs on the NQ to lagger. And that's the risk you take, man. Got the signal on the 15. Buyer showed up here, and I got my stop way below the level. right, great work, boys. That's me, Signal. Price the size of the flesh.
Yeah, I don't even be able to see it.
Yeah. Shit done. Got a charger from the guy. Laptop charger. I'm running low. This fails. The YM's just a terrible leader, boys. Yeah, all good, Nick.
For the next 4 minutes, just to stop out and keep sure we saw the green candle with no blue left. Copy the
Nah, just some more stuff, dude. Yeah, I'm up on that. It's like my favorite type of trade. Like for the 4-hour signal, it was signal right off the previous day low. Like if this fails, this longs one nick, man. Pull back longs one nick. I'm fine with that. I take that shot every time. Every time.
You gotta be willing, man. You gotta be willing. I already know this is gonna do that. I always know it's gonna do it. Look, the fucking minute barely got brushed. The niggas just behind the key.
Niggas out in front of that thing.
Yeah.
15 flipping back green. Oh man. Oh man. Back to neutral. $4,500 day, 3 accounts, 1,500. We hit the target. So we need it, man.
We're on number 4 now.
Yeah, we on number 4 now. We're on the.
Tell me what number 4 is, bro.
Tell you guys what number 4 is. I like sweat my shirt out.
Yeah.
Profit taking. Break even at TP1. Yeah, that's what it's looking like.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, it usually does it. Yeah, we in the NQ long, stops under previous day low, so
We break even like right above.
Yeah, I'm taking my risk off at 50%.
Yeah, taking my risk off at 50%.
I might consider taking one unit, but I know for sure I can get this risk off.
Yeah, we should be able to get the TP1. Yeah. Agreed. Overly. Yeah. Yeah. Profit taken, break even at TP1. Ride at TP2, risk must be off by 12:30. Break even or closed. That's the last step that we on, man.
We on deck.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good trade, bro.
We got some good trades today for real.
That ES call was nice. Hopefully this shit can follow through. Oh, nice green candle. Another green candle.
Yeah, hopefully it continues. Hopefully it continues. It is a little bit of a wonky day.
Yeah, it's a wonky day. We can.
Yeah, it has to for sure.
And that'll at least get my risk off. If we can get up to the SL4, which is pretty much our break-even zone, if it doing both sides of the trade I'm seeing on the 4 hour, then we'll get our risk off, and then it can kind of do what it wants.
Yeah, so I would be considering taking profit around then too, because the 2 to 1 to get in at 750 bucks, we would have hit the 2 to 1 at the SL4 at 850.
Okay.
So that made a little bit of a difference for that, and took 30 points off of that. So I'm going a little bit closer to taking profit at that level.
Okay.
But
I love it. I like the structure there. We got a nice cup off the previous day low. So usually this holds. I ain't gonna lie. Usually this holds. 15-minute chart don't really lie like that unless something big is gonna happen. Something big comes out to turn the whole move. All right, guys. That's me for the day, man. That's my trade. As you can see, stop under Monday low. Spread 4-hour signal off the 4-hour candle that closed at 10. Told me to buy Monday low zone. Waited for the signal to come in. This green candle right here at 10:15. Had a set entry at 50. Got in a little bit higher than I wanted to, but stops under my initial area. Inside my risk for the day on this account. We're in 3 accounts. If we hit the 1500 TP, then we will be like a $4,500 day. So overall, good risk, good ROI on the trade, and that's about it, man. I'll go ahead and sign out, get to work on my shorts, start getting prepared for tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know how this trade closes. Besides that, you guys trade safe. Make sure you follow all your rules. Make sure you follow your entries, follow your stops. Everything gets placed accordingly. Take your time. We'll be back tomorrow, man. Like, subscribe, comment. Shout out my boy Max Woods in the Discord. Everybody that showed up today, my boy Boss behind the scenes in production, making everything happen. And besides that, man, Twin Peaks Traders out, man. Catch up with y'all boys tomorrow, same time, same place. Look at that trade. Let's go. We at break even already.
Yeah.
You got a way better entry than your boy. Shit.
It's 10 points, man.
Shit, which is an 80?
Good stuff.
I'm at 45. I'm at 45. Come on.
Man, go ahead.
What's
take
the
that
high?
shit off,
What's
boss.
the high?
Take that risk off, boy. You crazy? That's 10 points on the Nasdaq. That ain't good.
All right, I'm break even. Damn. 38. I'm in at 90. 40. All right, break even. All right, we made it, guys. I'm overly off now. I'm signing out. Break even on the day. We either hit the target or it'll be a break even day, man. Good work. Shout out all my guys, man. We here, boys. We here. Yeah, good work.
Alright, let's go. Bust out your charger, busters.